Piston Technique. Piston technique is you get your tongue, you don't use your lungs, you just use the tongue and the air that's in your mouth, and you push it through, pucker. You push it through like this, and you suck it back like this. And you just apply the harmonica and move it up and down like this. That point, just move up. It's as simple as that. That's the piston technique. Very simple, very easy. If you get bored with your harmonica, just pick it up and do the piston technique. So in a tune, like a barn dance, this tune, I would use it in the turnaround part, in the second part. So we'll try to demonstrate that. That's it, piston technique. That's it, folks, for today. I hope you enjoyed that. And again, if you're interested in talking to me, give me a Skype or get in touch. Look forward to hearing from you. Talk to you then.